We need plastic sheet, nail polish, a glue, any transparent stickers, scissor, tape, hot water for 20 seconds. Please leave a comment if you like my nails. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like my video.